My self-care routines. My self-care routines. One, I brush my teeth 2 times a day. I brush my teeth 2 times a day. I wash my face in the morning. I wash my face in the morning. I take a shower every day. I take a shower every day. 4. I wash my hands before I eat. I wash my hands before I eat. 5. I wash my hands after I go to the washroom. I wash my hands after I go to the washroom. 6. I floss my teeth every day. I floss my teeth every day. 7. I wear clean clothes every day. I wear clean clothes every day. 8. I cut, clip my nails once a week. I cut, clip my nails once a week. Once a week means one time a week. Nine, I wash my clothes once a week. Remember, once a week is one time a week. Twice a week. Twice means 2 times a week. I wash my clothes once a week or twice a week. 10. I wear clean clothes every day. I wear clean clothes every day. 11. I wear deodorant when I go out. 12. I wear lip balm every day. I wear lip balm every day. 13. I remove makeup after I come home. I remove makeup after I come home. 14. I shave every day. I shave every day. 15. I don't wear dirty or smelly clothes. I don't wear dirty or smelly clothes. 16. I cover my mouth when I cough or sneeze. I cover my mouth when I cough or sneeze. 17. I wipe my nose with a tissue. I wipe my nose with a tissue. 18. It is important to keep myself clean. "19. I try to get 7 to 8 hours of sleep. I try to get 7 to 8 hours of sleep. 20. I make sure to go to bed early. I make sure to go to bed early. Good job, everyone.